Coffee every mornings. Sa umaga, kape. Sa gabi. Pwede din kaya? Oo. Basta gusto mo, okay? Okay. So, iced coffee or hot coffee? Pumunta ka ng Starbucks or Dunkin'. Or, sa tindahan, magpatimpla. May vending machines din kapag okay. Coffee every mornings. Pero mag-jogging ka muna. Exercise. Walking or running. Sa subdivision nyo or sa gym, okay. Treadmill. Coffee every mornings. Masarap. Go for it. Sa Jollibee din at McDo. Paserve ka ng kape. Coffee. Okay, kapag artist, mahilig sa kape. Pero di lang sila kasi buong mundo, buong Pilipinas gusto ng kape. At mahilig lang naman tayong lahat sa coffee. Okay? Okay, so coffee every mornings. Or every night pa, okay? Okay, so coffee every mornings. We all do love coffee. Am I right? Okay, masarap siya with donuts. Kung gusto mo, i-pair mo siya with silog meals. Sarap. Okay. Coffee every mornings. Sa hapon. Pwede. Kung gusto mo. Okay. Coffee every mornings. Habang nanonood sa Netflix or YouTube, pwede din magkape. Oo, okay. So, coffee every mornings. That moment when you wake up and open up your eyes. Okay, okay. So, coffee every mornings. Order ka online. Meron din naman na Nescafe Original, Great Taste White, Kopiko Brown, yes. Sa 7-Eleven meron. Dami, libot ka lang. Okay, okay. Ano ba ang meron sa kape? Nakakagising, inspire at motivate. Magiging determined ka pa. Kapag okay, so coffee every mornings. Make it a daily habit. Okay, okay. Morning routine. Okay, okay. So, coffee every mornings. While listening to music and kahit kapag nagising ka pa. Sa madaling araw or hating gabi. Pero ang masasabi ko lang, hanggang 2 times lang ang pag-inom mo ng coffee. Or even once lang. Okay, okay. So, coffee every mornings. Habang nagbabasa ng magazine, book, or how to draw na books, or self-help books, or books na tungkol kay God. Okay? Okay, so coffee every mornings. Masaya, enjoy. Nag-enjoy ka ba na panoorin itong video na ito? Kung ganon, i-like mo na. Mag-comment ka at mag-subscribe. Speak up, dear. Speak up, dear. Speak up, dear.